Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a small terrible channel. Today, we are going to teach you how to delete classes. Because, for example, you accidentally created a class and you find it's really not the class that you are intended to create. So let's teach you now how to create delete class. Again, go to classroom.google.com. Okay, since I signed in already, I have this class. Okay, so for example, I am going to delete this grade 7 Gardenia class. Just click on the three dots here and select archive. Okay, archive. And after that, you click here, go to your archive classes. And you can see the grade 7 Gardenia. Again, click on the three dots above, then select delete. Okay. Okay, let's go back to our classroom. If you want to also delete this, okay, again, click on the three dots, archive, archive. Same here, archive. After deleting, after selecting archive, go to archive classes. Then, again, in the archive classes, select the three dots in each class. Select delete. Do the same thing on this other class. Delete. Select on the three dots, delete. And for us to make sure that all the classes are really deleted, go to the Google Drive. Just select on this one, and select Drive. Then you are prompted to this box. So you select Classroom, this folder for Classroom. Let's just make sure that what we deleted has really been deleted. So it's still here. So all we have to do is we're going to all right. So it's deleted. So it's here, Classroom. Alright, so let's go back to our classroom now. Just select Classroom. So as you can see, it's clean already. So you are now ready to create your new class for the new school year. Okay, so thank you for listening. I hope I have um, I have shared to you my knowledge.